In this video, we will go over how to install your devices using the Daizy mobile app. The Daizy mobile app allows you to quickly install and service IoT devices on the go from your phone and is available on all iOS and Android devices. When you open and log into the Daizy mobile app, you will be brought to this page. This is the tasks page, which displays all your available tasks that you have created. To start the installation process, click on the task from the list that you want to install. This will take you to the task summary page, which will show you the details of the chosen task. Make sure these details are correct and then click Next. You will then be taken to the Confirm Location screen, showing the details of where the task will be installed, which is displayed on the map. You can also use the Get Directions function to give you a direct route straight to where the device is located. Once you have confirmed that the device is located in the right location, click Next. The Confirm Device Type page shows you which device will be installed at that location and the connectivity type. In this example, this is a LoRa device, so Daizy will enroll it onto the LoRa network server. If these details are correct, click Next. You will then be taken to the search page. Here, you will need to confirm the ID of your device. You can do this in one of two ways, either by typing in the device ID manually, or you can use the camera function to scan the device. Select the search result that matches the ID on your device. Here, you will see the device type, along with the network and device ID. When you are done, then select Mount. You will then be brought to the Check Communication page. If set up properly, the status bar should be green and set to active. If the device is active, press Complete. Or if not, you can go back to the main task page and then check the status of the device at a later stage. Once selected, the task will be marked as completed and the device will be successfully installed. You can also install multiple devices at the same time. If you have any questions or would like to know more, visit our website using the links in the description.